friends, class 1 General Knowledge Questions and Answers about colors. Learn with me. Question number 1. What is the first color in the rainbow? Correct answer is red. Question number 2. What is the combination of colors in the Indian national flag? Correct answer is orange, white and green. Question number 3. What is the color of a leaf in the plant? Correct answer is green. Question number 4. Earth is also known as the dash planet. The correct answer is blue. Question number 5. What is the color of a sunflower? Correct answer is yellow. Question number 6. Identify the color of an apple. Correct answer is red. Question number 7. What is the color of blood in a human body? Correct answer is red. Question number 8. Do you know the color of a brinjal? Correct answer is purple. Question number 9. Dash is the color of night sky filled with moon and stars. Correct answer is midnight blue. Question number 10. Which color symbolizes peace, purity and innocence? Correct answer is white.